most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. Well, it's going to be a pretty nice week. It is chilly this morning as temperatures have dipped into the 30s. Here is a live view of downtown Mechanicsburg, and let's show you what we've got going on here with our temperatures. It is definitely one of those days where you're going to need the jacket early, and then you can get outside later and feel pretty good about things, even though it's not going to be the warmest day. But 37 this morning, now down to 36, so it wouldn't surprise me if some folks do get close to freezing. And we've seen some colder numbers, too. Dew points remain dry. Look at this. I mean, here's Manheim down below freezing at 30 degrees. We've got Lidditz at 33, mid-30s in Wormleysburg. Lower Dauphin High School in Hummelstown is at 38. That tends to happen with these calm winds. Harrisburg, the warm spot at 40, but again, that's an outlier. Philadelphia at 42. But many of us are dropping into the low 30s this morning, including York at 31 degrees. This is in line with where we were yesterday, so there's really no big temperature swings. We are going to see another pretty pleasant afternoon. Seasonable highs today in the low 60s, but we will have some clouds to contend with over the coming days. Remember, we've got a front off to the west that's going to be coming through here on Wednesday, and out ahead of it, we are going to see some clouds. Again, the front's going to wash out, though. We do not expect rain with it. So yesterday's low, 35. We're right around there today, if not a couple of degrees cooler. 57 is the high, and without any rain, we now find ourselves cruising toward an inch deficit for the year. And by the way, we have now tied for fourth place in terms of the record number without rain. We have gone 27 days without measurable rain. The last time we had measurable rain, and it was just 1/100th of an inch, was on October 7th. So it's been almost a month. The record is 35 days. We may get there, too, because measurable rain is hard to come by as we look at Kinzer's. Highs will be in the low 60s today. Pretty comfortable, pretty pleasant, but I think we get near records tomorrow and Wednesday out ahead of this front. And this front's pretty potent, producing showers from Chicago and Detroit up into Canada. The showers are going to continue to stay to our north and west today. If we get any rain this week, it likely would come Wednesday, but as many fronts have done, they're going to encounter this dry air mass, this high, and a lot of the shower activity is going to dry up. So very warm the next couple of days. Showers hopefully on Wednesday, but there's no guarantee of that. So again, partly cloudy skies here going forward. Tomorrow looks like the best day, and maybe a little more sunshine for Election Day. We will be in the mid-70s. And then on Wednesday, maybe a few more clouds. We'll try to squeeze out a shower or two, but as you can see, the front just sort of dries out, and we could get close to 80 degrees here on Wednesday. There will be a little bit of a breeze today. Winds from the south. I think tomorrow at times will be breezy as we're right ahead of the front, and look at the winds from the southwest. At times tomorrow, 10, maybe 15 miles an hour, and then breezy on Wednesday, too, right ahead of that front with a west wind and temperatures nearing 80 degrees. But that's the key here, temperatures, and I think today will be pretty seasonable. Highs should get into the low 60s, but tomorrow and Wednesday, very, very warm. In fact, tomorrow after we start around 50 degrees, we will likely climb into the mid-70s for Election Day. Our next chance of rain, looking at the extended outlook, will not come here until early next week. Thursday, Friday, the weekend looks good. Another front could wash out here as we move into next Monday, but I do not count anything at this point as being a positive sign for rain. So 63 today, tonight partly cloudy with a low of 50, and then tomorrow and Wednesday we will be near records as we get into the mid to upper 70s. A nice Election Day, cooling off a bit but pleasant moving into the weekend. That's a look at the forecast. We'll be back after this.